calling all flooring contractors. Don't just keep up with the demands. Surpass them with the unbeatable surface preparation equipment lineup from Concrete Care. We have concrete grinders and polishers, scarifiers and scabblers, shot blasters, floor scrapers, industrial vacuum cleaners, forced action mixers, power floats and more available for sale and hire. Take the guesswork out of choosing the right equipment with expert advice from our sales staff, who have years of personal experience of working on various flooring projects. We offer substantial trade discounts to our customers, and you can test our equipment before you buy it and to make sure you get the best results. Professional training is also provided. We offer a comprehensive selection of top-quality diamond tools for cutting, grinding, polishing or cleaning and other related products to elevate your projects to unprecedented levels of excellence. Seize the summer rush and maximize your efficiency. Call Concrete Care today on 01 88 99 000. Visit concretecare.ie or drop into our showroom located at Kylemore Park North, Dublin 10, conveniently located just minutes away from the M50. See description for details.